This is Aotearoa. This is New Zealand.
Good afternoon, I'm Bridget Hasty with the latest at 2. The college